Welcome to Kids Entertainment and Drawing.
Hello kids, today we will learn how to draw shapes. This shape is circle. Now this shape is heart. Next shape is square. This shape is Pentagon. Next shape is triangle. And last, this shape is star. Let's paint. Purple color. I paint this shape is circle. Next color is green and shape is square. I color this shape is square. This color is orange and shape is triangle. I color this shape is triangle. Now next shape is heart. This color is red. I color this shape is heart. Next shape is Pentagon. Color is light pink color. Finally, last shape is star. Color is yellow. Yellow star. Wow, great job kids! Like, share, bye!